Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Andrew or SkullHQ here, and today we're taking a look at the unboxing of a brand new iPhone XS in gold, 256 gigabytes. Pretty sweet, if you ask me. This phone is about $1,150 plus tax. It is not cheap. We're in a bit of a different position than usual today. I'm a little lazy, just a little bit lazy. Didn't want to set up everything to do this. My normal spot, so this is what you're getting. Okay, here's your iPhone box. Looking very pretty, hiding the notch of the new XS. We have gold matched logos. And open it up. Whew. Of course, it was designed by Apple in California. Who could forget that? And in our pamphlet, as usual, we have our little hello quick start guide telling us how to use things. I might actually need to use this for like screenshots. Because I bought this phone outright, here's your SIM ejector tool. I'm going to need this. Warranty information, and of course, gorgeous, gorgeous Apple stickers. I am beyond excited for this phone right now. I've been waiting all day. If I come home from school and look at it, it'll never be this fingerprintless again. Wow, that's a striking color. So it looks kind of band-aidy, but as you can see in the reflection, it's actually like it reflects this gold color. The gold on the sides here might be kind of hard to see with the lighting. But there it is. Here's your camera. I already put my fingerprint all over it. Take that aside. What comes in the box? We have our ear pods with, again, no adapter. We have 5-watt charging brick. This should be a fast charger. I agree with everyone there. And of course, our charging cable. And now we have everyone's favorite part. I'm going to do it into this microphone. Zoom out so you can just get the whole shot. Here we go. Woo! That was very satisfying. The pull was mwah. It was mwah. Okay, here's our giant power button on the sides, our mute toggle switch, our volume up and down. We have our asymmetrical speaker grill, of course, and then our charging port. Hold the power button, make something happen. There's the Apple logo, so it does have juice. That is pretty fingerprinty, although not too bad. Someone coming from a jet black iPhone 7, which, if you know it all, looks like this. Yeah. This is not nearly as bad, especially considering it's actually glass. Okay, so here's our setup. Are we swiping up? Yes, we are. So English, United States. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 labor, you can bring it nearby to sign it automatically. If you want, you can also set up this phone manually. So it came up on my old phone, so I can continue to set up my Apple ID just by hitting continue, and I can pair it. Well, it already did it by holding the camera over that little circle that was shown up. So I have to enter the passcode of my other device, setting up iPhone. And it says finish on new iPhone right there. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Right off the bat, the phone is a bit taller and a slight bit wider, but overall it's pretty similar in size. Data and privacy, yeah. Oh, so now we have to do Face ID. So how to set up Face ID? First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle. Easy. I can do that. Hello. Get the microphone out of the way. First Face ID scan complete. Second Face ID scan complete. Face ID is now set up. That was very, very simple. So we hit continue, setting up your Apple ID. First thing I'm noticing about this screen, there is a bit of color shift on it when you turn it. First thing I noticed about the screen, it's very striking. I like it. I want to set up as new iPhone, por favor. Terms and conditions, blindly agree to that. Keep your iPhone up to date. We're going to install updates manually. Location services, obviously enable those because we're going to need those for a lot of things. Apple Pay, it did automatically, I can't show you, but on this phone it did automatically bring in my old card from Apple Pay on my other phone. And this is telling me about using Apple Pay, putting it near it, blah, blah, blah. Validate it with Face ID. Obviously, we're going to have Siri set up right now. iPhone analytics help improve products by sharing analytics with Apple. That's fine with me. App analytics, share with app developers. True Tone Display. So True Tone Display is basically, it automatically adapts to ambient lighting to make colors more consistent. Okay, it's on, so I have to turn it off later. I'm probably going to turn that off. Then go home. It's telling me how to use the new gesture features, or newer gesture features. Switching between recent apps. Again, swipe up from the bottom, that sort of thing. Quickly access Control Center up from the right. And then welcome to iPhone. And that's that. This is the new. That is very, very, very fast. That is so much smoother. Or I'm insane in just thinking that. So one thing that you do have to deal with is there's no more battery percentage. Right there. There's no more battery percentage unless you swipe down the Control Center. So that's gonna be something I have to get used to. It's not from the bottom anymore. And then you can hold up to bring you to your app launcher, but obviously I have nothing in there. And yeah, that's pretty sweet. I'm really excited for this phone. I'm really liking this screen right now. So thanks for watching. That's gonna be it for this video. Like if you liked it, favorite the video. If it was favorite, don't share the video. Subscribe for more. And of course, I'll see you all later. Take care.